Hello and welcome to Scott Team Realty's Vacation Rental Home Calculator website page. This video will teach you how to, or is a tutorial on, how to complete the vacation rental analysis to help you determine if you can afford a home here. And we can do that through this spreadsheet. To get to the spreadsheet, simply click on this link right here, and up will pop this window with the spreadsheet in it. It is in an Excel file, so you're likely going to have to download that in order to make the changes. Right now, it most likely, yes, it's in a read-only view, so you'll have to download that in order to put in the fields. So let's go ahead and download it now and open it. Okay, and then we're going to enable editing. So now you have the actual worksheet here in front of you, and you'll notice there is an input sheet down here in the left-hand corner, and then a report sheet. And you'll notice that there's quite a few cells that have red written in them. Those are the cells that you can change. All the other cells are password protected. And they're password protected because there's formulas or something like that in them. For example, if you look here at this one, as far as an insurance, it is N25 through N27. So you have a total insurance cost here, and then that insurance cost is then moved to this cell. So that's how this works. Let's go ahead and fill in some of these blanks. All right, let's make up an address. Let's just call it 2100 Beach Road. And it's going to be a weekly home. We have then 3 values here. These values should equal the price of the property. May be the asking price, may not be the asking price. And you may want to change the asking price or change the price to find out what it's going to cost you for you to be able to afford it. So let's just say the value of the lot here, and these numbers I'm just pulling from the air. They're nothing accurate, and if they are accurate, then they will probably change tomorrow. So you will want to do some history or do some research to figure out values, and your Scott Team Realty agent can help you with that. So we put in a land value of $350. Let's put an improvement value of $350 and a personal property value of $35,000 for a total of $735. Then let's go to expenses. Let's say your taxes are $5,000. You have a rental management fee that can be anywhere under $25,000 or 25%. Most of them are under 20%. Let's just put 15 in there for kicks. And an association dues, there's a number of homes on the Outer Banks that have association dues. Let's just put 1,500 in there just for kicks. And let's go over here to your utilities. Oftentimes a home has a fireplace, a gas fireplace, or a gas stove, or heats their pool with gas. Let's put 600 in there. Sometimes there's sewer. Most homes are on septic, but let's put 600 there just for kicks. Some rental companies will pay for the linens. That linen fee is included in your management fee. Others don't. Let's just say this one does not, so let's just say $900. Water is not very expensive on the Outer Banks, $800. Cable, telephone, that's pretty expensive for this area, but leave that number in there. And just to pull an air from the air on your pool and hot tub. Maintenance reserve, you're going to need to have some money there. Heat pumps break, house needs to be recarpeted or repainted. So let's just put 10,000 in there. And pest contract, let's just say 150 a year. That's often what they are today. Then there's miscellaneous. What could those be for? They could be for landscaping or other things that you have within the property. You'll notice we're going to leave those blank just for kicks. Electric breakdown, this allows you to put in a monthly amount, and of course here it's going to be more expensive in the wintertime and in the middle of the summer. But let's just put a number of $3,000 in there in 1 month, and you can see it goes to the bottom line right there, and then also over here. You can fill them all out if you want to, but you don't have to. And now let's go to your homeowner's policy. Let's put $1,500 there. Wind and hail, let's put $3,000. And flood insurance, let's put $1,000. So that does it for your expenses. Then this is your rental income, and you can add the number of weeks up. And let's put, just for kicks, let's just do 2 weeks spring and mid, and we're going to put in a crazy number like $40,000 for those 2 weeks, and that should give us a total of $80,000 when we get to the next page. What's going to happen is all these numbers are reported on the next page. Last thing in here is your loan, and the loan to value, let's just say it's 75%. You're borrowing 75% at a rate of 7.5% for 30 years. And that basically completes all the fields that you need to have completed on this page. And so the next thing we do is we go to the report sheet, and this shows your income is $80,000 like we talked about, and your total expenses are $46,000. That leaves $33,000 to pay for your mortgage, and in this case a mortgage would be $46,000 a year and change, which means you're going to have a negative cash flow on this of about $12,000 a year. And if you're spending a bunch of time vacationing on the Outer Banks and no longer have to pay for that, well, that may not be such a bad deal. So that's basically how to complete this spreadsheet. If you have any questions, you're welcome to contact Scott Team Realty. We're here Monday through Saturday, and when we're not here, we forward the phones to our cell phones, so you can almost always get us. We'd love to be able to help you complete some of these fields with realistic numbers, or help you with anything else here on the Outer Banks. We really appreciate the opportunity to serve you and hope that you subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching this video.